Hey, what's up you guys? And welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. So, what did you guys do for Christmas? I stayed home and I'm bird watching. I'm actually going to go inside and feed the birdies. So, that is my Christmas because everybody is out of town. And I'm home, enjoying and resting my time. So, let's go feed these birdies. Alright, let's go in. Let me grab my keys. Always get your keys before you go to the door. Now let's see. Everybody's out. Let's see if they fly around. Alright. Say hi, my friends. Hello there, birdie birds. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, caramba. Oh. Well then. Where the hell? It escaped. How about you? Are you leaving also? Oh. Son of a gun. There they go. Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Tweedledee and Tweedledum. They escaped the cage, man. See that? They almost attacked me. Alright. I'm just here to feed you. Jeez. Must it be so difficult? Alright, how do we do? There's still lots of water. Ah! Holy crap. Let me put you down real quick. Put you over here. Okay. Nothing. Hey, they could have just went in here. Looks like I see one birdie. Water. You like my shoes, my slippers? Ooh.
Don't scare me, ladies. How'd you get there?
Hi guys. Hi guys. Tweety, tweety, tweety. Are you guys gonna sit there? Stay there? I'm gonna put your water in. Oh, craps, don't scare me. Now how does this, okay. Okay, you can go to your house now, guys. Alright. Hey, guys. Hey. Are you just gonna stay there? I put food. Those aren't cold. See the mess? To have a birdie. Look at the floors. So dirty. Come at me, bro. Come on, guys. Tweedledee. Whatever. So, whoa, you're so close. Hold on. Let me back that up. Oh, okay, wrong way. Oh, I messed that up. Okay. So, ow! Ah!
You guys are crazy.
Okay, well, nobody's here. What are you doing today? Nothing. I ain't doing nothing. So
da-da-da-da. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about.
are they making out? Oh, kissy kissy, smoochy smoochy, lovebirds. Kiss, 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 kiss. No, I don't want to. Kiss, come on, kiss me. Kiss me, girl, kiss me. Ah, your breath smell. Come on. Get away from me. Kiss me, I said. Get away, get away. Your breath smells. You need to brush them. Let me try again. Let me kiss you. I said no. I'm coming to get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get closer. Come on. Kiss me, girl. Fine. You don't want to? I'm going away. Wait. So you want to kiss me? So you want to kiss me now? Kiss, kiss. We gotta argue about this. Mwah! Bumpy, finally, you kissed me. Ugh, your breath smells so bad. I don't even know why I'm with you. Ugh. I just, okay. Mwah! Mwah! Oh gosh, lovebirds these days. So, now I am done feeding the birds. Feed the birds, feed the birds. I gave them their food and new water. I'm a little bit airy. So now I'm gonna go back home. Woo! I don't know why I'm getting close there. So I'm going to go back home to my lovely abode and do some payments, some cleaning, and then get my grandma. I have no idea why I'm doing like an accent like that. It's usually an English accent. I'm starting to do some kind of country thing. Let's see. Oh. Oh. She's watching this ride. You want to ride that? You want to ride this? No. Oh. Okay.
Hi! I'm at
Christmas in the park.
Christmas in the park. Christmas in the park with Bernadette.
Look at the tree. Huh? It's a lot of different games. Oh, hot chocolate. I don't know yet. Hi, can I get 2 small? How much are the small? Okay. They're $6 each. Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is gonna be your change. Oh, thank you. Merry Christmas, y'all.
Ooh.
Can you easy with the foam on one of them?
Yeah.
Thank you. Here. Ooh. Those too. Ooh, very nice. Look at how big. How are you gonna drink it? You know, brush your hair first before the photo. It's alright, I look haggard. Oh, here. Backwards. Preps for pictures. Okay. Here. Hold on. I need. How is it gonna show? I don't want to. Okay. Hold on, lots of people. Oh, you're too small. Okay, let me use the other one. Maybe this one. Let me switch off from this. Just hold still and then I'll cut it. There. Okay, now back to the car. Going back to the car and back to the house. This is my grandma. See? How old are you?
85.
And still walking around?
Walking around the park. We are here at the downtown Christmas
in the
park. See, an 85-year-old woman still walking around. We drink hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Merry Christmas!
See you, sabi mo, see you.
See you soon. Bing.
Hi.
Sent.
Hi, hi, hi.
Look at the. You're up to my shoulder.
Oh, lampas na ako.
Okay? Let's go.